Oh Lord, it's been a couple years now since I started my audiophile journey, and I've been looking for a really good and decent pair of wireless over-the-ear headphones. Now I know I have a few, but all of those headphones, they blew my mind when I had them. But now I feel like I'm spoiled. It's like I can't find anything else that can top the headphones that I already have. Oh God, please, can you send me something that can possibly top or surpass the headphones that I already have? What's that? God sent me the Ghostek Rapture wireless Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones. I can't wait to go ahead and listen to these and give you folks my opinion on it. Stay tuned. What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just a mod boy in Texas, back with another video. All joking aside, okay, I'll be doing unboxing and first impressions of the Ghostek Rapture wireless over-the-ear headphones. Okay, now I did not know these were out. I thought Ghostek had the Drop 2s. They had the little earbuds. They also had the Ghostek Ghostek Cannons. I think that's what they're called. The open back, over the ear headphones. I was really looking at that, but I realized, like, wait a minute, what is this? Okay, Ghostek promises pure sonic joy with these. Okay, let me see. There, directly from the box, Rapture headphones provide a burst of musical euphoria. Graphene drivers, don't mind that sound, that's just my dryer. Okay, I'm drying my laundry. Graphene drivers pulsate crisp, powerful sound into your ears, sparklingly clear HD audio buzzes through your head. So let's go ahead and give that a shot, okay? And why I went with that whole, asking God thing for headphones? Well, the Rapture, no, never mind. You guys don't know what that is. A lot of people don't know, but let's go ahead and unbox these, shall we? So let's go ahead. I see tape in only one place. I'm just going to use my fingernail to get this. I don't want to mess up the box too much because I got a lot of... this thing costs a lot of money, and just in case I can't afford to keep it. Okay. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna keep these. Hope if they're really good. But here we go. Here they are coming out of the box. And there it is. These are soft protein. Oh my gosh. You can just feel it already. Soft protein leather. Oh, I gotta try this out. I gotta try the... And the quality, the build quality. It doesn't feel plasticky. And oh, this is how you adjust it. The ear cups move. They don't swivel, they move. Now it's got a little bit of durability, but I would not drop these because especially you're gonna fork over $130 for headphones. So you adjust the shape of it to your head by moving up and down these ear cups. Okay, I gotta try these on already. Oh. Now they're flat, but your ears kind of push into the soft leather. Okay, the leather is really nice. I like it. I really like it. Now these don't sport any type of noise cancellation or whatsoever. This is for sonic purity, sonic joy, the kind of sound that makes you smile head to toe. So that's what I wanted, okay, and that's why I got these. Okay, I got a bunch of active noise cancelling headphones, but what if you just want to kick back, relax, and listen to some music? Or pair these with your TV via Bluetooth, and you'll be able to watch things, Netflix, Hulu and whatnot. Bluetooth 4.1, so I'm pretty sure it's got aptX. I'm thinking it does. It doesn't say though. Who cares? Let's go ahead and get this paired. Oh wait, before I do that, let's go ahead and check what else is in the box. So it came with the headphones. I don't want to mess the box up. Too late. Oh, I see a case here. I was wondering, it's like, wait a minute, they're not gonna put a case in a pair of $100 headphones? Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh, snap. Look at that leather. This is leather. The interior. Huh? Wow. This is a nice case for it. 3.5mm jack. Okay? For you non-pixel owners. Okay, that have no earphone jack. And what do you call that? We got micro USB cord to charge it. So I'm pretty sure that was it. Yeah, Ghostek. I'm hoping they put all the money into sound because this is a nice case, but the box was eh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired. I'm gonna do a little jump cut right here. Okay folks, I got these paired with my Google Pixel 2 XL. Now, just a slight note, there were no instructions in my brand new pair of Ghostek Rapture wireless headphones, okay? I went ahead and downloaded the manual just in case, but I didn't really need it because everything's self-explanatory for the most part. I mean, I already got it paired. The power button is here, the volume and the skipping buttons are right there. And you got the share me button. Yeah, that one's a little confusing. I was like, what is this button? The share me button is right here. You can share your Bluetooth connection or something, or device with two different devices at the same time. I'll leave a little notation right here because it's confused me as well. Okay, but let me go ahead and listen to these. I can't wait. Let's go. It's a full blast. Wow. Oh my gosh. Listen to this. Oh my goodness. Let's try another song real quick. Hold on, I gotta listen to this again. First impressions, fan-freaking-tastic. Okay, now I'm gonna put these things through its paces. Okay, I'm gonna test them out over the next 7 days. Tested 15 to 20 hours at least. Breaking them in, you know, playing them low volume for a few days, 2 to 3 hours a day, low volume, just to where I can break them in. Then I can see the true sound that these things offer. But what I got right now is, damn, these things are fan-freaking-tastic. Okay. Just first impressions right off the bat, I mean, it's crisp, okay? It's not too sharp, but it's nice and crisp, crystal clear, okay? And I turned it up to full volume so it didn't distort, it didn't get tingy and whatnot. So it's like really, really good, okay? And these soft earmuffs, I can't get over the fact that how soft these things are. Really nice. Feels really nice on your ears. Now on a hot day, I could see these things being a little hot. You can start getting sweaty. Of course, I'm in South Texas, so yeah, I'm starting to sweat a little bit. But comfort-wise, they're not bad, okay? They don't squeeze your head too much. They sit right on top of your head. Well, my head. I got a medium-sized head, kind of. So, but yeah, check back for a review in about 7 days from now. I'll have these things reviewed. I'll compare them to the best and the best of my best and the best of Bluetooth headphone, Bluedio U 2s, Treblab Z2s, Sony XBR 950 BTs and whatnot. These, I think, but as of right now, just by listening, first impressions, okay, I think I may have found my wireless over-the-ear headphones of the year. But yeah, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna get into it. But yeah, this is Guddang 775. If you guys folks want to check these out, the link will be down below. And remember, anything bought from those links will go directly back into this channel and into my expenses. Okay, so I can test and review products for you folks out there. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. First impressions of the Ghostek Rapture wireless headphones. Just a mile boy in Texas. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button, let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.